The Catlins is a beautiful region of New Zealand's southeastern part of South Island, consisting of dense, temperate rainforests and long stretches of stunning coastline. The area is teeming with wildlife, from New Zealand's rare yellow-eyed penguin to fur seals to sea lions. This video will only cover places we hadn't yet visited from our first time visiting 3 years ago. Be sure to refer to my previous Catlins videos for more sightseeing options linked below. Easily the most unique, inventive, and creative place I've visited in New Zealand, and probably even the world. The Lost Gypsy Gallery is the brainchild of New Zealand native Blair Somerville. If you have ADD, then his rustic automata gallery will have you pacified as you go from invention to invention, trying to figure out how any non-human could figure something like this out. This tinkerer inventor literally has 352 art pieces, all made with recycled material, all satisfyingly interactive.
Pinocchio's awkward adolescence. Let's see what happens.
This track extends from Picnic Point and takes you through the bush, running along a stretch of coastline to grassy open fields, and all the way down to the beach where you will catch a glimpse of King's Rock. On this beach we found the most number of empty power shells. The hike to the rock and back takes about 1 to 2 hours to complete, and definitely is worth checking out. We had visited this spot the first time we traveled through the Catlins 3 years ago. Driving through Papatowai this time, we just happened to drive past the lookout, so for nostalgia's sake we pulled over, and also it's the best lookout in the Catlins. You get a dope panoramic view of TAUTUKU beach and the peninsula. These are some lucky cows, but I really doubt they were the same ones we saw 3 years ago. Rest in peace, I'm sure you were delicious. Located at the TAUTUKU River in the Catlins Forest Park, this 22-meter waterfall is the best waterfall Ling and I had seen in this area. Perhaps this was due to the fact that the region received heavy rainfall the previous day and was more voluminous and impressive on this particular visit, but having visited Purakaunui, which is one of the most popular waterfalls in the area, MCLEAN was an unexpected surprise. Just a short 40-minute return track, MCLEAN Falls cannot be missed. This is kind of the one-stop shop of the Catlins, given the variety of activities and wildlife that can be observed in a single area. From the 180-million-year-old fossil forest, to swimming and surfing, to camping, to observing Hector dolphins, yellow-eyed penguins, and fur and sea lions, it can all be done here. We were lucky just to catch a very distant glimpse of these rare yellow-eyed penguins. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Happy exploring of the Catlins, and see you in the next vlog.